Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Rupa Devi KK, practicing at JSS College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Ooty Road, Mysore. Today I am going to tell about the method of validation parameters. Before we go into the method of validation parameters, let's know about validation. Validation is the process of establishing documentary evidences like procedure, process or activity which carried out in the testing and their production, which means achieving or maintaining a desired level of compliance at all stages. It ensures that all activities align with regulatory requirements, industry standards. The process of providing the analytical procedure is acceptable or it's purposely used. Let's know why we need of validate an analytical method for assuring the quality of system, for achieving the acceptance of the product, compulsory requirement to verify as per the ISO guideline. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Let's move on to the type of analytical procedure to be validated. Identification test. It ensures the identity of analyte in a sample by comparing property of sample with standards. Quantitative test for impurity content limit, which establishing the lowest concentration of an impurity that can be accurately measured. Test for control of impurity. It is the quantitative or semi-quantitative methods used to identify and control small amount of impurities. Assay procedure. It is the quantitative test of active in sample of a drug substance or product. Next is validation parameters. The validation parameters are range, linearity, specificity, accuracy, precision, limit of detection, robustness, system suitability testing. Let's go one by one. Range. The range is derived from the linearity studies and depends on intended application of procedure. The interval between the upper and lower concentration of analyte in the sample for which it has been demonstrated that the analytical procedure has been suitable level of precision, accuracy and linearity. It essentially defines the concentration range over which the method produces consistent results. Next, move on to the linearity. Linearity. It indicates the ability to produce the result that are directly proportional to the concentration of the sample within a specific range. This means that as the analyte concentration increases, the measured signal should also increases in a proportional linear manner. Let's move on to specificity. It should be conducted during the validation of identification test, determination of impurities and the assay. It is the ability to measure the clear and desired analyte in the presence of component such as inactive substance and impurities that may also expected to be present. Typically, this might include impurities, degradants, matrix, etc. Next is accuracy. It is the analytical method is the closeness of a test results obtained by that method to the true value. Accuracy should be established across the specified range of the analytical procedure. This is sometimes termed as trueness. Now is precision. Precision of an analytical procedure expresses the closeness of agreement between a series of measurements obtained from multiple sampling of same homogeneous sample under prescribed condition. Let's move on to limit of detection. It is the smallest quantity of an analyte that can be detected. Quantitative limits. It is the lowest concentration of an analyte in sample that may be determined with acceptable accuracy and precision. Next is robustness. It refers to a method ability to produce consistent and clear results even when subjected to small, slow manner variations in method parameters or environmental conditions. Example, in chromatography, variation in mobile phase flow rate or a column temperature might be tested to assess robustness. Next, move on to the system suitability testing. It is the integral part of many analytical procedure based on the concept that the equipment, electronics, analytical operations and sample to be analysis constitute an integral system that can be evaluated. Depends on the type of procedure being evaluated. Example, resolution test for an HPLC procedure. Now we come to conclusion. Conclusion. By validating analytical methods, manufacturers can ensure the reliability of their test results, supporting product safety. It also helps in regulatory guidelines and preventing costly errors. Hope you all are understood the session. It's all about a small session with regarding to the method of validation parameters. Thank you.